Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify email deliverability with Warmly or Postmark, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify email deliverability using Warmly or Postmark, start by opening your web browser. Visit the Warmly or Postmark website. If you choose Warmly, create an account or log in to your existing account. For Postmark, sign up for an account or access your existing one. Once logged in, navigate to the email verification section. In Warmly, locate the email verification tool on the dashboard. In Postmark, find the domain settings or email verification options. Enter the email address or domain you want to verify. Warmly will provide information about the email address, such as MX records and blacklist statuses. Postmark will analyze the domain settings. Check for any issues that might affect deliverability. Review any provided recommendations to improve deliverability. If using Warmly, explore additional features like sender score evaluation. For Postmark, consider setting up sending domains for better performance. Monitor the verification results carefully for any warnings. Take necessary actions based on the feedback received. Test sending a sample email to assess deliverability. Observe your email's performance through engagement metrics. Perform these steps regularly to ensure ongoing deliverability. Utilizing these tools will help maintain your email reputation effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.